Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Chevy's 1973 to 1987 K10. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle and remove the transmission. With a 5/8 socket and 11/16 wrench, remove the hardware retaining the factory transmission crossmember. Then, remove the crossmember. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Slide the transmission crossmember under the frame and screw in a bolt on each side to hold it in place. Using a 5/8 socket and 11/16 wrench, tighten the bolts on each end of the crossmember. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter in primer spray paint. Reinstall your transmission. Then you're done.